Welcome to Souvenir Picking Part 2. I was on vacation last week and I also went to a locksmith who was so kind to give me some of his scrap locks. Among these locks was this BKS with a really wide open keyway, which picks really interesting. So I want to share with you a picking of this lock and then I'm really curious to see what's inside. I don't have a key, so I cannot show you the bidding, but we'll hopefully get into this lock also without a key. So let's start. I'm really light with the tension, because if I'm more than light, it causes all pins to seize up and you won't get very far. So I'm not really sure what's inside. I cannot believe that these are only standard pins. Maybe we've serrated or something else. I don't know. There are little clicks and tiniest movements on the core. And it's open. So let's have a look inside. So here are all the pins properly laid out, including the master wafers. And you can see that there are definitely no serrated drivers. And I can only imagine why it felt like picking a lock with serrated pins, and that's possibly because the lock is really dirty. You can see the pins are covered with a sticky layer of dirt. Also the springs are dirty, and also the chambers of the plug are covered with a layer of sticky dirt. And you've seen me disassembling the plug where the key pins didn't want to come out, so I think this might be a possible explanation why it felt like picking a lock with serrated pins, because these pins they really want to stay where they are. Okay, what we have in this lock are 3 master wafers, which create an additional option for finding the shear line on every stack with a master wafer, so it makes picking this lock a little bit easier. And we have 2 sweet little spools, which I think are not effective because of the key pins and because of the master wafers. So let's check this out. Reassembling number 3. Wow, this is really sticky. Okay. Okay. Such a nice spool, but unfortunately not effective. Okay, Let's check number 5. Also not effective. What a pity. Anyhow, this was the picking and gutting of a Souvenir lock, the BKS, with a really wide open keyway, 3 master wafers, and a lot of dirt. Thanks for watching, happy picking, cheers, and bye bye.